Mama, mama, babe, don't claim, don't come again, oh. You know my name, be a
Focus, see me at the drive, focus. Can I you just scatter my thinking, oh, and I know they know what's up. Say if I let me know, what's in your mind, and I will let you know, what's in my mind. So if you both know, what's in we define, straight to the point, make we know it's a time.
Obviously, my daughter, today is your special day. The day you are going to your husband's family. And prosperity, you will have many children, as many as you can train. Everything that is your heart desire and the maker's heart desire will be fulfilled in this marriage. So that at the end, they will glorify thy holy name. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen.
Well, my name is Chukwuemeka Paul. Well, the reason why we are here today in Ubolo is because of my traditional marriage, right? And Obi in person, she is indeed a hardworking, very prayerful. Yes, I would say that she is very, very prayerful. And then so supportive. I call her my energy. She's my grand partner.
My name is Phyliss Obi, and today is my traditional marriage, and I'm getting married to the love of my life. Chukwuemeka and I have known each other for a very long time, from way back school days, for like almost 9 years now. We met in school. I would always come to his lodge to see my friends, and then we see, but it was just friendship level. Then later on, like 9 years later, we got into a relationship, and then it blossomed to this. He's a very kind, loving gentleman. He's God-fearing, trustworthy, and everything. He's my gist partner. He's my amiable person. We do a lot of stuff together, like we gist and talk about people. It's fun. Like, I really love him so much, and I am happy that this day is finally a reality.
Say you don't need to the book. No need to the phone, and you only need to let me know. You don't know what you want. Say you don't need to the book, no, no. You don't need to the phone, and you only need to let me know. Don't know what you want, shy, yo. You driving me crazy. I'm feeling so crazy. Baby, you driving me crazy. Say you don't need to the book, you don't need to the phone, and you only need to let me know. You don't know what you want. Say you don't need to the book, no, no. You don't need to the phone, and you only need to let me know. You don't know what you want, shy, yo. You driving me crazy. Girl, make you go gaga. Go gaga. Baby girl, make you go gaga.